For the 4500 Kemper, all the Kempers for that matter, it really doesn't matter which one it is, the importance of the scrapers underneath the knives. As you know, when you cut through corn, there's a bunch of leaves down there that you got to cut through. A lot of the leaves like to wrap themselves around these points. And as you know, a cutter driver knows when these points are wrapped with leaves, when you try and get another stalk in there that's full of leaves, that these knives can't cut. The very importance of the scrapers. Okay, there's 2 scrapers on each drum. You'll probably feel a little vibration if one of these are missing because the drums need to be balanced. What that scraper does is it comes through here and it takes them leaves all off. After every pass, it comes around so that this stays clean so that it can cut the next stalk. Another way it cleans it is this bar. This bar is located right behind the scraper. Okay? It does 2 purposes. It helps support a finger with the next finger. Okay, it's a support bar, but it also helps the scraper clean. So when this bar is missing, it's harder for the scraper to do the cleaning job it needs to do. So it's very important to keep these bars on or welded on there. And this one here is half of it's missing. So you'll see it when you're driving the chopper that if this bunches up, there's more than likely one of these missing. So it does happen. Make sure the scrapers are on. The farmer, this particular farmer, did a lot of work welding, trying to keep his points good. If it does get to a point where it gets thinner, go to our website, go to our catalog. We make these points. We sell them a lot. It's a very good thing to have when you're running a Kemper head. We have the points for all the Kemper heads. Thank you.